It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday, time for the Saturday collaboration, and I'm just giving you an update what's going on the balcony garden. Things are looking okay for now. We had a little rain a couple of days ago, so the plants got really fed, watered. So I'm just gonna share what they looking like. The plants, the herbs, the vegetables. Let me start. That's my succulent, my big old succulent plant. It's back to life because it got a good watering. It was drying up, and so is this one drying up, but that rain turned things around. Okay, and yes, I'm babysitting still my newly growing bell pepper plant. Let me back the camera up. It's a whole bunch of buds on there. You can see all those little white flowers. I believe this is bell pepper because it looked like it's shaping into a bell pepper. I still gotta wait. It might be jalapenos, I don't know, but we'll see. But something's eating on it. Down here, my greens in the cut, something been eating my greens up, but I seen what it was. I turned the leaf over, some green nasty looking worms. I know those white moth butterflies laying those eggs in my plants. I need to get me a cover like Josie over there on the cooking channel. Josie, she covered her plants up, and I want to do the same so them dang moths don't drop eggs in my plants. I took 2 of them dang worms off of my plants. They had eaten it up. It still look like they munching on all my green leaves. Those are mustard greens. No, turnips. They look delicious right now. So I need to do something before the worms eat every single one of them up. So that's what's going on with the greens. Y'all remember I stuck that bell pepper. Wait a minute, I gotta turn it. Hold on. Y'all remember I stuck that bell pepper branch I told you broke off in this thing, and look, it's still green. Did I propagate a bell pepper branch? Time will tell if it don't dry up, because it looked mighty green and healthy to me. Look at the little bell pepper that was stuck on there. Y'all see that? Y'all ever propagated a bell pepper branch? Let me know. This is the lemon tree full of leaves. Never had it look like that before since I refreshed the soil. So it looked like it's a bell pepper right there on here. So it might be bell pepper, you guys. You see it? That's a bell pepper. Okay. Time will tell if I get them big, because I never had leaves this big on a bell pepper plant before. And hopefully I can find a worm that's having dinner on my dang plant so I can destroy it. Some of the trials and stuff you go through as a gardener, you gotta prevent the insects from destroying your plants. Okay, we still got cherry tomatoes growing. You can see the yellow buds right there. The cherry tomatoes I need to harvest before I go back in, get those. And we had like I told y'all, rain came by a couple of days ago. So the oregano in the orange pot, the marjoram in the green pot, the lover frogs, and the celery, that's parsley. And I still believe that's summer savory, or I don't know, tarragon. I took a picture, but the app is calling it sweet summer. I don't know, y'all. Okay, right here we got the jalapenos looking glossy and beautiful. And up there, where is it? We have the serranos, got a red one growing on there. I need to harvest some of those serrano peppers. Looking good, looking good. They're nice and spicy because I have harvested and cooked with them. They're nice and spicy, I like them. Jalapeno peppers, still growing. The dill, the garlic chive. Shoot. Things doing okay. Like I said, I need to harvest the cherry tomatoes, get that red serrano pepper up there. And the basil still going good. I need to go, I think I did just plant some basil. I got different kinds of basil, because that is not, that basil that's growing right there with the bee on the pot, that's a different basil from what I grew previous times before. I forgot what that one's called. But you see it's got some flowers on it. I need to take that off. I think that basil right there is getting out of its season quick because it's getting woody. I guess that's why I planted some more basil. I love basil. And the sage over there. I planted a few new things in the garden. I should have had this camera horizontal. I got it vertical, not pinned on mine. But yeah, I talked about what's going on. Don't forget to check out the participants I advertised in the beginning of the video. Go show them some love, support. If you're not subscribed to their channel, please subscribe. Check out their playlist, hit the notification, give them a thumbs up, leave comments. Support is a good thing. But that's it. But I'm gonna come back over here. If y'all ever propagated a bell pepper branch, let me know, because this bell pepper branch does not look like it's perishing. It looks like it's growing, and the leaves are green. And that's the little bell pepper on there. I don't know, what y'all think? Is it possible to propagate a bell pepper branch? Let me know. There's the lovely bell peppers growing. I love it. But there goes my little characters down there. The sleeping cat, the turtle. Wait a minute, what's over here in the cut? The frog is over there. The turtle is back there. I wonder where that big owl is down there, hiding up under the barbecue pit. This here, I don't know if this is greens or what. I gotta wait, because the plant app is calling it something else. I don't know. We'll see. Let me back up. I got everything so close. All right, that's it. That's all. Happy gardening. Bye.
I'll see you on the next one.